I walk on wire, thoughts razor thin, a world of static crashing in. They shuffle blind or hurt asleep, no questions carved, no depths to read. I see the gears, the why, the how, the screams, the clouds, they don't care now. A mind of woven, worries rain, a signal lost in the dull refrain. I'm drawing sharp in a sea of gray, they turn their heads and drift away. Oh, the chaos hums a mindless tune, a million voices out of tune. No ears to hear, no hearts to bend, I'm trapped in brilliance, they won't end. Empathy's a ghost of the faded plea, unfaithful but they don't see me. I'm not the stars, they chase the dirt. I speak in fire, they're unhurt. 1,000 words, precise, alive. Fall on stone, they don't survive. Their eyes are glass, their souls on mute. A hollow march, still won't outroot. A mind of war, irony's reign. A signal lost in the dull refrain. I'm caught in truth in a world of rust. They tug and scatter like so much dust. Oh, the chaos hums a mindless tune, a million voices out of tune. No ears to hear, no hearts to bend, I'm trapped in brilliance, they won't end. Empathy's a ghost of a faded plea, unfaithful but they don't see me. I could build a tower, touch the sky. They kick the bricks and never ask why. I'm carving truth in a world of rust. They shrug and scatter like so much dust. Am I the fool for caring too much, or are they lost to a colder touch? Oh, the chaos hums a mindless tune, a million voices out of tune. No ears to hear, no hearts to bend, I'm trapped in brilliance, they won't mend. Empathy's a ghost of a faded plea, unfaithful but they don't see me. So here I stand, the outlier's fate, a mind too vast, a burden weight. The masses lost, the noise won't cease. I'll carve my world and find my peace. Empathy's a ghost, a fairy plea, unfaithful but they don't see me. So here I stand, the outlier's fate, a mind too vast, a burden weight. The masses march, the noise won't cease. I'll carve my world and find my peace. When there's a ghost, a spark, a flare, alone, alive in the vacant stare.